Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have for you a bit of a legend, the Suzuki Hayabusa. This one's done sensible mileage at just over 15,000 and is presented in the lovely pearlescent white. Now I'm sure, as you know, these bikes were designed to take on the Honda Blackbird, and if my memory serves me right, the Hayabusa is some sort of falcon or bird of prey that eats blackbirds. And if that's true, then what a cracking bit of marketing by Suzuki. But we will say that everybody should have a go on a Hayabusa and have one in their life. Well, here's your opportunity to buy a very clean example. A couple of little marks as you would expect, but let's have a look around and see what we can find. So straightforward, standard bike, standard screen on there. Coming down the front, very, very clean and tidy. Couple of tiny little marks there, but the paintwork's lovely. Front mudguard, all good there. Coming down to this side, there is a small hairline crack just there. I'm guessing from a disc lock or something similar. RNG protectors on the forks there. Brakes all in good order. Couple of little marks on the wheels, no doubt from tyre changing over its period. Side panels lovely, graphics all good. RNG protectors there. Again, coming down here, bodywork's very, very clean. And the side of the tank, no marks, no imperfections there. That very aerodynamic swooping bodywork. And coming down to the exhaust, original exhausts. Little tiny mark just there, and very small little ping dent. But actually, as you can see, the exhausts themselves, very good condition. Again, rear wheel, a couple of little marks here and there. Again, from having those tyres changed. A little bit of paint missing on the swing arm, just there. There's only one tail end like that in the motorcycle business, I'm sure. Coming around to this side, again, exhaust all good. A couple of little marks just down here. And a couple on there, but again, for its age and mileage, very good. Seats all good, no rips, tears, and they are surprisingly comfortable for this type of bike. Side of the tank, again, lovely. Plastics all good. Going down this side, an RNG protector there on the cover, and bodywork all lovely. Another one there. And it doesn't really show off inside, but this paint is a pearlescent white and does look particularly nice in the sun. A little bit of colour shades there. Again, all very clean and highly presentable. A couple of little marks here, just on top of the mirror. And if we go around to this side, just a little scuff on the edge there. Then coming over the top of the tank, lovely. No stone chips, nothing down here. And looking at the cockpit area, a little tiny bit of surface corrosion just there. But actually all the levers, switches and everything all very good. It does have the short ASV levers on. As I'm sure you'll agree, for a bike of this age, in wonderful condition throughout. So there we go, 15,266 miles. I'm just going to start her up for you. So there we go. Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa. You owe it to yourself, you know you do. Give us a call, drop us an email, we're happy to look after you.